Hi, I'm going to describe a little project that I've been working on for God knows how long and haven't really got much of it done. It's a project with this little car, this little Datsun, if you could see that. I'm going to do my very best to remove the little engine from this car. This very underpowered 4-cylinder, about 90 horsepower. And if we just move over to my right here, I'm going to put this American push-red V8 in it, along with the 5-speed transmission that's hooked up to the back of it, as you see there. And then that differential, the whole driveline is going in it. This is the differential that will be going in it. That's it's a 323 gears, 8.8-inch Ford differential out of a Mustang. This whole setup is out of a Mustang. But describe the motor. It's a 1988 fuel-injected 5-liter out of a Mustang GT. They call it a roller cam motor. I've thrown away the fuel injection in favor of a little Holley carburetor, as you see there. The distributor I threw away from the fuel-injected motor, and that one's out of a 64 Ford. I think it's off a 64 Fairlane 289. I'm supposed to, apparently I have to change that rear gear on there, or the bottom gear, to make it work. If you take a look at the side of this motor, because the motor is so big and the car is so small, the exhaust manifolds, they become an issue. You don't have a lot of space under the hood for that thing. So these exhaust manifolds are also off the same 1964 Fairlane that the distributor came off. Okay, this thing was a lot of fun. I drove the Mustang that this came out of. I bought it for about 900 bucks, and I drove it home. This thing did about 4,000 rev shifts in it, and this thing really went fast. So the whole idea here is to put it in this little car and make the little car go fast, like the Mustang. But it'll be a bit different from that. This car will weigh about 2,300 pounds with the American V8. All the hardware here is a little bit heavier. Anyway, that's about describing it. Now other than I want to start this car, but the battery's dead, so I'm charging it up. I want to run the motor and take a picture of it running so I can see if I can get a few dollars back from the 4-cylinder. Anyway, the car is a 66 Datsun. They call it a Datsun Roadster, but the actual name is Datsun Sport 1600. And so it'll be a bit of Japanese technology, Japanese artwork, the body, and American muscle under the hood. Anyway, I'll go turn Neil Young down over there.